Prime Minister Narendra Modi is chairing a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security, or the CCS, and you have images of that on your screens. Top security officials, including National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and defense chiefs, are part of it. Home Minister Amit Shah, who was in Kashmir to take stock of the situation, has returned to Delhi to be part of this meeting, where India's response to this deadly massacre is being calibrated. We have some breaking inputs coming in as well, and this is the inside scoop on the key CCS meeting, which is currently underway. We're given to understand, according to top sources, Amit Shah, the Home Minister, is briefing all the members of CCS about the entire sequence of events. He's talking about the information that was received from the security forces. Remember, when he was there, he was briefed by the security forces. He prepared a report, and he's now briefing members of the CCS about the attack, the sequence of events. We have Pragya reporting from outside the Prime Minister's residence, and Shreya is joining us from Srinagar. Let me first go across to Pragya. Inside scoop coming to fore. Home Minister briefing the members present in the CCS about the sequence of events, Pragya.
Absolutely, and in fact the briefing has been done, and in fact this also has met a reply from the Prime Minister. If you look at the pictures, Prime Minister is also speaking and directing and also discussing about the options. Every member of the CCS is having a file and a document in front of them. There are options that are to be discussed in this particular meeting, and the message that seems to be very loud and clear because of the expression that we are seeing in these pictures, that we need to avenge what has happened on the Indian soil, and we need to avenge in a way which is to be heard by everyone in the world. In fact, not just the perpetrators. Everyone should know if they attack Indian soil, then there is going to be a reply, and also there is going to be revenge that the government will take. And it looks like that all the top bureaucrats are present in the meeting. Not just that, External Affairs Minister, there is some decisions, some strong decisions that are taken. Sources have said that there are enough evidence that this has come from the Pakistan. So there are some tough decisions that are to be made by the government, and they have to also tell people of the country, because they are also looking at this particular top brass to see what is the action that the government is going to take. Everyone is looking at this particular meeting, all eyes on this meeting.
Absolutely.
Because everyone is actually very hurt, and obviously they are very shaken about this particular dastardly horror attack. And these were the civilians, these were local people who wanted to enjoy the valley of Srinagar and valley of the Kashmir.
Absolutely.
And the kind of faith that has been reposed by these people in the policies of the government has also shown an increase in the tourism in this union territory. And it is also very important for the government now to say that tourism and tourists are very safe. We will take revenge, and these are the people that we will never let go of. And this is exactly the reason why this particular meeting is happening.
We saw those images of the tourists wanting to go back to their homes, wanting to leave Srinagar. And there was some sort of a fear in them. That confidence will have to be restored, and that will happen when a strong action is taken. That is exactly what is being discussed in the CCS as well. Plan for action. How will we make Pakistan pay?
You're right on the count, Swati. There is, we spoke to Union Tourism Minister in the morning, where he said that there is a setback to the tourism. People would want to go back, and they do not want to take this kind of risk in their lives. But they have reposed faith in the policy of the government. That the minister also said that Prime Minister has unequivocally said that loud and clear, that action will be taken and revenge will be sought. Now Pakistan will have to have a fear of this particular revenge, and the revenge will be in a way where it will be impossible for terrorists to again commit any such horrendous crime. And this is also, there is also confidence building measures that government have to do again and again to ensure that the tourists who are going after having reposing the faith in policies of the government, when government said that there is normalcy that has returned to Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, many of the tourists had gone, and in fact the surge that tourism had seen in Union Territory is unparalleled and unprecedented. And in fact, this is the reason why we are also seeing some local Kashmiris unequivocally also condemning this terrorist attack. They know that the economy is going to be hurt
Absolutely.
badly after this. So, it is also a challenge
They
in front of
understand
the
the
government.
impact this is going to happen, have on their lives.